Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Sayyid Ali Hassan and I am teaching you game development using Unity 3D. So before start my 9 tutorial, I just want to remind you what I taught you. So first, I already teach you about how to design a level and how to add skyboxes and trees. Then I teach you adding a water, how to add a water, how to collect a coin, and how to go to next level using Collider, and how to add an audio in your game. So if you complete all these tutorials, so you can easily develop a simple game which I am going to show you. You can easily develop the game like this which I am going to show you, but if you use your creative mind, then you can also design a much better design than my design. So I am going to start this game. So it is a basic 3-level game. So I use coin collision in this game, score, addition, and go to next level. A simple game you can easily develop if you follow my all tutorials. So I am going to play the game. If you follow all my tutorials, you can easily develop the game like this. And on my next tutorial, I'm going to start how to design a main menu and how to write code for the main menu. So now basic is over right now. Then I'm going to start advanced level of Unity 3D game development. So I hope you like my videos. If you like my videos, kindly please share as much as you can. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.